Hey, what's up everybody? Today's going to be a little different video, although I am going to do an unboxing and install video on this Vivosun full spectrum LED grow light. Let's go ahead and get it opened up real quick and get it installed and show you what I'm going to do for this grow. Alright, Vivosun was very kind to send me this out to do a full grow video. I'm going to do some sweet peppers, or they're pretty warm. They're called Cajun Bells. I grew them this season, made some powders and sauces, and they turned out amazing. So let's see what we got here inside the box. If you guys would like to see the specifications here, before I open this up, if you guys can see this, I'll let you read it. You can pause the video at any time. Okay. Now this did arrive in another box, a heavy duty box, so I am not worried about. Oh, it's even in another box. Wow. Good packaging so far. Okay everybody, here you go. The Vivosun VS-2000 full spectrum LED grow light. Let's go ahead and get this baby opened up. Show you the other side of the box. Again with the specs. Very nice packaging so far. I wouldn't worry about your light getting damaged during shipping with the way they pack this. We got here, this is my first time opening this too. Here you got your, looks like your owner's manual. I'm not doing any scientific review. I'm going to use this light to do a full grow. Here's an instruction manual. And here's the back side. Sorry for any glare. Oh wow, look at this thing. Just more packing here. See what goodies we have in here. Oh wow. You know, I just had a subscriber comment in one of my videos that why don't LED companies send out IR glasses? Well, here you go, buddy. Or for anybody else, we will be checking these out and see how well these work with the lights. Comes with some nice quality hangers. We'll be using them. Okay, what else do we have in this package? I'm going to assume these are the power cords. All right. Here we got the power cords here. Some other connections that I will not be using. Very nice though. At least I won't be using them. All right. Now for the star of the show. My God, did they pack this thing very well. Even has a plastic insert on the inside there for added protection. The Vivosun VS-2000. It's a pretty lightweight board. It's not too heavy. Here you got your LED driver on the top here. This is also, see if I get you a close up. Here's your dimmer switch here, which is just a dial you turn. You can hear it's a clicky noise. This is your hanger. Then your other hanger. And what I'm going to do, set this down. Here's where your controller would go if you had a controller, and here's where your power cord goes into, which the included power cord is here. And you'll just plug it in right there. All right, let's get this thing installed using these 1/8 inch rope hangers. Give you guys a little close up there. Okay. If you guys are familiar with my grow room, you'll see how I hang my grow lights. So basically all you'd have to do is push this button to release everything after you take your rubber band off. And we're going to simply just clip it right there. Then we're going to take the second one here. So undo that cord, let it drop. Straighten that out. I'm going to push this yellow button there, or green button. Pull it down. Take out the slack. The only reason why I'm dropping it down is to give me easier access from when I hang this hook right here. Be a little bit easier for me to hang my light. Let me go ahead and grab the light. Now because I have my timer over there, I'm probably going to plug the cord in on that side because I believe I'm going to have another grow going on the other side of us. So all you want to do is go ahead and pick up on your light, grab your hook, hook it, come over here, hook, and there you go. Let me grab the power cord. What we're going to want to do, I'll fish it in through this side. Just plug it in nice and firm. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. But first, what I like to show you guys is up on these hooks, how I take away my slack so this isn't hanging down to the ground. I'll just go back through my loop here. Just a couple times just to keep it out the way. I do that to both sides. This light also claims to be a 200 watt light. Let me go ahead and run these through here. But easier if I had a step ladder. Okay, very good. All right, well, we're going to go ahead and take the included glasses here. They claim this light is 200 watts. I believe I mentioned that. Let's go ahead and check it out. Right now we're in the off position. So let's see what happens when we click to the first position from off. Okay, that's pretty bright. I'm gonna have to assume, let me take these off. I'm gonna assume that will be the brightest. There's no way that that is low for a 200 watt light, so I'm assuming we're gonna start off high. So when you guys are installing this, be careful, have your glasses on, because as soon as you fire it up, if it's in any position, it's gonna be bright. So turn it all the way to the right, and that would be your off position. Okay, your next position. Dims it down, I'd say 75%. Go again, 50%. Next position, I would say we're about 25%, and that's the lowest setting right here. Which, if I take my glasses off and look, that's still very bright. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it back up all the way. Okay, that's your off. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. And with the glasses, they're still bright, but these are supposed to protect you. All right, everybody, so tell me what you think about this Vivosun VS-2000 200 watt LED grow light. I'm going to use this in an entire grow, doing 1, possibly 2 plants with this light. I'm going to grow some Cajun bells, like I mentioned earlier. And we're going to do the whole grow, so stay tuned. I'm going to do a series of videos on this thing. And let's see if a 200 watt light, such as this, very fair priced. I'll throw links in the description. You can go check it out. They're not paying me to say this. I don't get no kickback out of it. But if you follow my series, I'm going to have to imagine this. From what I saw with my experience, this light's going to do a great job for the type of grow I'm going to be using it for. And thank you, Vivosun, for sending this out to me. I'm going to use it for an entire grow. It should be about 3 months to see results in this indoor hydroponic grow. So if you like what you saw, you want to follow this series, please hit that subscribe button. You want to learn how to make 5-gallon totes, 12-gallon totes for doing hydroponics, I'll post videos down below, or I'll put them up here in the iCard there, and we'll go from there. Leave a comment below if you own this light. Tell me what your thoughts are on it, because I'm curious to know. And hit that like button, and most importantly, have a great day.